What up, YouTube? Right here trying to install these lights. Finally, I'm gonna get it done today, baby. Alright, I already got rid of the old light fixture. Got my box in there right there. That's the old one. And I'm gonna feed that. I'm gonna feed wire from there, Romex, to this one right here. I already got the lights in there. And we'll go from there. So I went ahead and picked up one of these tools. This is a voltage tester, and so you just turn it on, and it has two settings. It has a silent and it has a audible setting. So you put it here on the black one. This is your power, and if there's power to this, it'll turn red and it'll beep. I already have it turned off, so we're good. Okay, so the next step in this project is I went ahead and borrowed a tool from my bro. This thing here, I forgot what it's called, but it's like a wire tape or something like that, and it's metal, so it feeds through here. And then I was able to get it to come out on this side. You can't see it, but it's in there. And I'm gonna tie the Romex to that with some electrical tape and then just pull it back through there, and then just do the same thing from there to the next light. So this tool is a big help. It's like $100 tool, so I just borrowed it. All right, now that I got it connected, it's gonna pull on this and it'll pull the wire out. All right, YouTube, been having some very challenging issues here, but so far I've gotten it from that hole to this hole, and then from this hole to this hole was a little more challenging because I'm doing all of this by myself. Now from here to there, it's about 11 feet. So I can't use the tape there, that wire tape. What I did is I got a 10-foot piece of PVC pipe and got it through the roof, and now I'm just feeding this stuff wire, I forgot what it's called, through that pipe, and it should come out on the other end. All right, so there it is right there. You can see the PVC pipe and the wire coming through. Just got to grab it with my arm and pull it out. All right, so there you go. Just took the pipe out. Now you have the wire, and we just got one piece left from there to there, and just wire it up, and I should be done with this baby. Boom. All right, I got all the wires wired in. Now I just got to connect everything. We should be good. Don't worry about what those extra holes are for. Okay, so I'm going to be messing with electricity, so I'm going to just test it again, even though I've already tested it. Somebody could have went and turned on the fuse box or something. Never know. Better safe to be than sorry. So I'm going to cut off these connectors here. These are for 2. And I'm going to replace them with these ones here. These are for 4. So if I ever want to put a fan right here, which I do plan to do, I will be able to do that. All right, so we're wired in right there. Got the live wire into my new wire. That's gonna go over here, and that's gonna go to my next light. All right, YouTube, I'm on the home stretch here. I'm on the victory lap right now. Just wanted to show you how I'm linking these lights, knocking out 2 of these little ports here to bring the Romex in through. This one is coming from over there, from there, and then from there. So this is the last one. It's going to go through. It's going to come out through here. And this last one is the end, so it's only going to have 1 wire because it's going to end here with this light. So I'm just gonna knock this out here with the screwdriver. You just bend it and then with some pliers you twist it off. Alright, just wanted to show you what I'm doing here. So I strip back this plastic white sheathing and then cut off the excess, and you have this paper, you just rip that off. Then I'm going to trim off about 1/2 inch from the black, which is the power and the neutral, and then the ground is already stripped back so I can connect it to my light. Okay, last piece here. There's this little J-box that's actually connected to the light. That's the really cool part about these lights. You don't have to buy a separate J-box. So I'm going to take this cover off, and that's going to give me access once I get the wire fed through the little knockout that I put in the back. The other cool thing about these lights is they already come with their own connectors. They're already wired up. And they have the 4 connectors because they know that you're probably going to link more than one light. So I went ahead and bought some, but I'm going to use these ones.
And if it's, como dice Adele, if it's free, it's me.
Check it out, check it out. What?
No, it's a good, but it's going to be a good workshop.
That's the one
and
that
it's
doesn't
free.
work.